So check it out. I don't even sound like that though. So, as you can see, I put my saddlebag guards on. Also went ahead and did the Willie G. Also on my shifter. I haven't gotten those in yet. Ordered them. Got to order a new pan and the steps, so I'm waiting on those. But of course, with them turned up, you can't tell right now anyway. And as you can see, got this in. Color match. And since I got that in, I went ahead and put my shorter one back on. Because the shorter one is clear. Well, it's not clear, it's just not dark, it's smoke. That way you can see it from the front, side. That's what it looks like when you ride. I think that's about it. Like I say, waiting on them rear shifter pads to come in. Just got some stuff from Harley. I'm hoping that'll clean that engine case. And I want to show you guys something. Got my jigsaw over there, but I got my partner's jigsaw here. Make sure when you have somebody work on something that they don't do this. So buddy drill holes all in the intake. Even cut that little hole there and put some tape over it. Make sure you know what they doing to your stuff. Don't just tell them, hey, I need this done, and do whatever it takes. Make sure you know what they're doing. Because now, he's gonna have to replace that. And we're putting in the Bluetooth stereo, but it don't even work, so you gotta send that back. But yeah, always make sure you know what's going on with your bike. All right. Make sure you subscribe. It's the only way I can get more content out of you. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. And check me out on Instagram. I post on Instagram before I put a video up. Custom Keem. Probably saw it on the other video on the side of the saddlebag. Yeah, hit me up.